Welcome back to Titi's Garden. Today I'll be showing you how to start your bitter leaf from seed. These are my bitter leaf seed. You can see it doesn't even look like the plant at all. Looks like sawdust, but this is actually the seed. This is what is going to transform into that bitter leaf plant. I'm going to start them. I normally start them indoors about a month or 6 weeks before the last frost date, and this is what it looks like. You can see them. This is about 5 days after. It takes about 5 to 7 days for it to germinate, and once it germinates, you can see they are all crowded together. I'm going to split them up into individual containers. This is about 4 weeks now, and I've separated them into a bigger container, and they're doing so well. So it's time now to transplant them into their permanent site. This I've stayed about 6 weeks indoors, and I'm going to transplant them in this corner. Though I don't have enough space, but I love where there's enough sunlight. Remember, this plant, they like sunlight. Don't put them in the shade, and the soil must not be too wet. They don't really like too much of wetting. Just leave them. They thrive so well when the soil is dry. You can see this is just outside, and I'm going to show you what they look like now. This is just like a month afterwards. You can see them. I left some in a container so I'll be able to take those in during the winter period. And here we are. It's time to harvest. The thing about bitter leaf or any vegetables at all, once you start harvesting them, they blow up. You can see how much this has transformed into different branches, more leaves. The more you pick them, the more you're going to get more leaves. So this is the situation right now. I've harvested over and over from them, and I'm still harvesting. And another thing, I keep some again for the winter month. Once I harvest them, I blend it in my blender and I wash it thoroughly. I'll allow it to dry, and I'm going to use that during the winter month. You can also freeze it, not just drying them alone. You can freeze also. And this water, this is another thing I want to talk about. This is medicinal. This is good if you want to, cleanse your system. Is very good. Tummy ache, just naming, very, very medicinal. Though it's bitter, but notwithstanding, it has the sweet taste afterwards. I really love it. And this is the outcome after drying them. You can use it in your food, put it in the soap, and so many other things. That is the bitter leaf. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless.